Hi all, Tony from HAART Estate Agents selling in Barkingside. Thanks for joining us here today at Limewood Court, where we've taken a one-bed first floor apartment onto the market. The property does have warden control, emergency pools in all rooms and is for the over 55s only. There's also lift access for convenience. Come and discover a little bit more. Cheers all, bye for now. So, thank you for having a look around this one bedroom first floor over 55s apartment today in Limewood Court. If you like what you've seen, got a few questions, or maybe looking to book an internal inspection, why not give me a call or one of the expert sales team a call on the number you see below and we'll be able to make that happen. Cheers all, bye for now.